You don't hear my line no more. Oh, oh, you don't make it ring, 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 ring.
What's up, KK gang? It's your girl King King. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, you make it to the end of the video, and you still can tolerate me, go ahead and hit that subscribe button at the end of the video so you can become part of the KK gang too. As you can tell, I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this look, and guys, it turned out so good. Like, it turned out way better than I expected it to turn out. And guys, this is not a lipstick. If you want to know how I did my lippy, just keep watching. And yeah, so let's get started with the video. Okay guys, so I went ahead and did my brows so I can get that over with, because I show that in every video. So if you want to know how I do my brows, just check any of my previous videos, because I'm not doing my brows, I'm not showing my brows in every video. So yeah, or if you want a brow tutorial, just comment below and let me know. So I already prepped my face, and I cleaned it before, before I did my brows, so I'm good with that. Now it's time for the eyes, and I already primed my eyes, so I'm just going ahead and put concealer on them. I'm gonna just go ahead and blend that out. All right, I put concealer on my eyes, and yes, I know it looks a mess, but it's gonna look better, trust me. I'm gonna start with the eyeshadow, and I put a poll on my Instagram asking what color should I do tonight, and the most results were blue. So I'm gonna be doing blue, because why not? I'm using my Take Me Back to Brazil BH Cosmetics palette. It's pretty late right now. It is currently 10:40. It's currently 10:45, and yeah. But I got off at work. I got off work at 10, and I was at work thinking, like, I really want to do a video. So I was like, let me just do a video for you guys, because I love you guys and I'm not tired. So I said I might as well do something with my life, put some content out for you guys to watch and enjoy. So let me start with my crease. I'm gonna do a dark blue. What else is blue? I'm scared, guys. I never used this blue before. It's okay. But yeah, I'm just keep building it up so it can look, full and full of color. That didn't make sense, but yeah. Ooh, yes. Give me life. But I'm just gonna do a cut crease today with this blue. A little over the top, because I just feel like doing something over the top. But anyways, yes, y'all, this week has been really hectic at work, like, because of Florence. Florence, you messing up everything. You need to go back where you came from, because no, like, y'all, it's been really busy at work. If you guys don't know, I work at Lowe's, and that's the main place everybody come for, like, generators and stuff, sandbags and all that stuff, all that stuff you need for hurricanes. But yeah, like, y'all, I sold like 20 generators today. I swear it was like 20. And them things like $700. Like, watch, next week a lot of returns. Like, y'all, people been going crazy. And the other day I worked, it was yesterday. Was it? It was yesterday I worked. Y'all, when I tell you, my line never stopped since I've been there. My whole shift, people was coming, person after person, no break at all. And everybody was getting what is it? Oh, everybody was getting cases of water yesterday. Like, we ran out of water like twice, and they kept shipping it in. People was going crazy, y'all. I'm just using this medium colored blue in the middle of my crease, and then I'm gonna go on the darker blue on the outer corner of my eye, just to darken the crease up. Oh yes, Kenita, yes. Work it. On the inner corner, I'm just gonna go with this light blue, so it could be like a little ombre look. You guys let me know if you like cut creases better than like, you know, the regular eyeshadow look. Alright, so that's it for this ad for the eyeshadow. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do this other eye and I'll be right back with you guys. Alright guys, I'm back and so far so good. Now it's time for the cut crease. I'm gonna go in with this BH Cosmetics concealer that I used to prime my eyes. Yeah. But yeah, I was thinking about doing I was thinking about talking about different topics, you know, when I do my makeup tutorials. I was thinking about, you know, talking about different things. So if you guys have any suggestions on topics I should talk about, I could talk about anything, y'all. Like, I really can talk. I love to talk, so I would definitely talk about anything that you would want me to talk about. Like, as you can tell by that sentence I just did, I talk a lot. But yeah, like, I'm feeling it. Like, I'm feeling start doing different topics of while I'm doing my makeup. But yeah, let me go ahead and cut this crease, y'all, because you know it's hard to cut crease and talk at the same time. So. Alright, now I'm gonna set that concealer with some powder. So I'm gonna mix in with the glitter. Alright, now it's time for the glitter itself. And I'm gonna be using the glitter glue by NYX, and I'm gonna be using I still haven't decided what glitter I'm gonna be using. I don't know which glitter to use, y'all. It's like a white glitter and then like a silver glitter. So hard to choose. I think I'm gonna use the silver glitter today. Alright, y'all, so my glitter glue would not come out, but I finally got it. That was the worst. So yeah. Now I'm applying glitter glue where I applied the concealer and the setting powder. Y'all, I had to turn some of the brightness down so y'all can see the glitter. But yeah, that's how it looks so far. Okay guys, so I'm done with the eyeshadow and the glitter and all that, and the eyeliner. Oh my god, that looks good, y'all. Like, it's actually coming out perfect the way I want it. Yes. Who is she? I ain't done yet though. I love experimenting with makeup. Like, look what you get. I look dumb when I did that. The reason I'm talking low is because it's nighttime and people are asleep in the house. So yeah, it might seem like I'm talking lower than usual, but hope you still can hear me. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply my lashes and get that over with, because I hate applying lashes. Like, it's the most. Okay guys, I'm done with the eyes for now. I haven't did my lower lash line, but I'm gonna do that after I do my foundation and everything. So time for the face, foundation, and you know, all that good stuff. Guys, I'm gonna go ahead and set my face. I'm gonna do the same thing I did on the top, which is dark on the outer corner and light on the inner corner. Alright, last but not least is highlight. And I'm gonna be using to go with the look, I'm gonna be using my Kat Von D holographic highlight. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, I like that. I'm dumb. And I'm gonna be using the blue highlight, the blue holographic highlight. Last but not least is the lips. And for the lips, I'm gonna do blue, but I don't have blue lipstick, so guess what I'm gonna use? That's right, my palette. And if you don't know how to do that, I'm gonna show you guys. So what I do is I just got like a little cap, like a water bottle cap. Get a little bit of the Vaseline and put a little bit of that in there. And then what I do is get a little bit of the blue that I'm gonna use, and I'm gonna be using that dark blue. And I'm gonna put some of that in there. And then I'm gonna apply a little gloss over that to make it shine. Ta-da! Oh my god, y'all, this is the best look yet. Oh my god, I love this look, y'all. Okay. So there you go. I'm finished. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And y'all, it really turned out way better than I expected it. Like, I'm so in love. Look at it close up. Like, it turned out so much better than I expected. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to this channel. And if you made it this far, you're a real one. So comment KK Gang if you see this, because you really are a real one if you see this part, because that means you got to the end of the video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video like I said before, and I will see you guys next time. See you later.